Financial audits often rely on sampling only a small percentage of transactions. While this approach is practical, it also means that unusual or high-risk entries can go unnoticed. This tool transforms that process by analyzing every financial transaction instead of just a sample. Users can upload complete transaction datasets, allowing AI to automatically detect anomalies across journals, ledgers, and account movements. Each transaction is evaluated against historical patterns, business rules, and statistical behavior to identify unusual activity that may require further investigation. Rather than simply highlighting anomalies, the tool assigns a risk score to every transaction. It identifies issues such as abnormal inventory adjustments, unusual account-to-account transfers, management overrides, duplicate entries, unexpected posting patterns, and other financial irregularities. Risk thresholds can be adjusted based on the organization's audit strategy. A higher threshold narrows the investigation to only the highest risk transactions, reducing audit effort while still capturing the most critical exceptions. Lower thresholds expand the review population, providing broader coverage when a more detailed examination is required. The impact of these decisions is visible immediately, allowing audit teams to understand how different thresholds influence both investigation workload and risk coverage. Once suspicious transactions are identified, investigators can initiate review workflows directly from the platform, enabling structured follow-up, documentation, and resolution. As investigations are completed, the system continuously improves its understanding of transaction patterns, helping refine future risk detection and supporting more efficient audit planning over time. The result is an intelligent decision support tool that enables finance and audit teams to focus on the transactions that matter most, improve audit efficiency, strengthen financial controls, and reduce the risk of material issues remaining undetected.